Okay, hi, my name is Mia. I have a few things I wanted to say. Starting off, I would say don't just show up. Show up every day with your best foot forward and treat every day like it's something exciting, it's new, because it is. Like, this is a start of hopefully a lifelong career. And I wouldn't come to school every day thinking, oh, I can't wait to be a hairdresser one day. I can't wait to be an SD one day. Don't think of it as one day. This is day one in school. Be the SD you want to be here. Be the Cosmo you want to be here. It all starts now. And you have amazing teachers and staff and everyone here to get that foundation that really makes you feel good and ready to start. Like, I am just so proud to say that I'm from JD Academy. And I feel like if you guys don't feel that already, you will feel that at some point, because everything here just comes together like a big puzzle. Like, I feel like there's just so many pieces, like every teacher, every phase, everyone that like comes together. And for me, I just have felt just such like my passion has been elevated even more for this industry just from being here. And like, I'm forever thankful for you guys for giving me like that foundation to start, and I'm excited. We're all friends. I would say community over competition. That's also very important when you're at school, and just always. And then also make a plan for after school. And it's never too early to make that plan. Like, starting day one, you can already be thinking about where you want to go. Research, ask questions, and with that plan in mind, it's going to help you stay motivated, because you're going to need that motivation. You're not going to want to show up every day with the smile, but just do it, I promise. It'll be worth it in the end. I think that's all I wanted to say. Hey, well, hello guys. My name is Mia. I am a hairstylist at House Cablo in downtown Pleasanton, and I am not far ahead of you guys. I graduated in, I think, October of 2023. And yeah, I put together a little presentation to kind of share, like, first my tips in school. You guys kind of heard some of my tips that I gave, but I have a few more. And then kind of like my journey, like what I did, like as soon as I graduated, and what I'm doing today, and kind of share some of that. So this is my Instagram. You guys can follow it if you want. It's a little code thing you can scan. Some of my tips from cosmetology school. This one actually wasn't shared in the video, so I'm glad, because I can kind of chat on it. But don't buy into the myth that you don't learn anything in school. Not true. I know that you hear that a lot, but you do learn. And I took school really seriously. Your teachers and educators know a lot. And if you listen to them, you'll be able to start taking clients right away. Like, I was able to take my first clients as soon as I graduated. I didn't need to do like a whole program thing, because I took my education seriously here, and I know that if you guys do that, you can do it too.